Next, in the equation x into x minus 1 minus m plus 1 the whole upon x minus 1 into m minus 1 equals to x upon m, then the roots are equal when m equals to, means it's given that roots are equal. Okay, now we have to solve this. So first solve this equation. It's a bit cumbersome and too technical, so watch it neatly. Mx into x minus 1, why m? This x upon m we have removed, this m we have removed over here, and this cross multiplied. So m into x minus 1 minus m into m plus 1 equals to x into x minus 1 into m minus 1. Now solve next. Mx square minus mx minus m square minus m equals to x square minus x into m minus 1. Okay. Next, now this left hand side kept as it is, right hand side. Solve this. When you solve this, you get mx square minus x square minus mx plus x. Now check what all gets cancelled. Mx square gets cancelled and mx gets cancelled. So what we get? Minus m square minus m equals to minus x square plus x, right? Multiply everything by minus, you will get x square minus x equals to now take this on other side and then take m square plus m on the other side, minus m square plus m equals to 0. Right, getting this point? See here, first multiply everything by minus, you will get x square minus x. Here also it will be m square plus m. Take m square plus m on the other side, so it will be m square plus m and minus sign outside, right? So the equation will be x square minus x minus bracket m square plus m equals to 0. Now what is given? Roots are equal. See here, what have we done? We have just solved this equation by now. Means the condition remains the same now. The roots are equal. We have just removed all these denominators and brought it to a simple form. Ax square plus bx plus c. Right? Now roots are same means what? This b square minus 4ac equals to 0. Now what is b over here? Minus 1. Minus 1 square minus 4 into a is 1. C is what? This. This along with this minus sign. Right? Minus m square minus m equals to 0. Solve this. So you get 4 into m square minus m equals to minus 1. Okay, means this becomes plus 1. Take on the other side, it becomes minus 1. Therefore, m into m minus 1 equals to minus 1 by 4. See this. Even I got into this trap. This is a trap. 4 m square minus m equals to minus 1. Then take 4 on the other side. And you get m into m minus 1 over here equals to minus 1 by 4. Then solve. You will head it nowhere over here. What you do, simple step is, solve it this way. This is easier. 4m square minus 4m plus 1. This one. 4m square minus 4m. This plus 1. 1 on this side. Keep this above equation only. So, 4m square minus 2m plus 1 equals to 0. So, you solve this, you get 2m minus 1 the whole square equals to 0. Therefore, 2m minus 1 equals to 0. Therefore, 2m equals to 1. Therefore, m equals to half. So, this is possible when m equals to half. That is the answer. Download Yuvaguru app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. They are useful for you throughout your life for various competitive exams. We have separate videos for them. Think behind those videos on a daily basis and you'll learn them within 3 months. So keep studying, keep watching. Thanks.